Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to customize Windows colors in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings, or press the Windows key, +I to open Settings. From there, go to Personalization and click on Colors. Now you can choose your color mode, dark mode, light mode, or custom mode. You can also turn transparency effects on or off, and manually choose an accent color, or set it to automatic. Additionally, you can toggle the option to show the accent color on the Start menu and taskbar, as well as on title bars and window borders. From Personalization, you can also click on Themes to select a theme. Finally, from Personalization, you can click on Background to select a background and adjust other background settings. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.